I have a Toshiba portable air conditioner that is leaking water.
How can I help with your home repair question? What specific appliance or part are you working with?
Toshiba portable air conditioner RAC PD 1011 CRU.
When did you last replace the air filter for your Toshiba air conditioner? Are the air vents unblocked?
I just bought it last year, and it's always leaked water.
How long has this been going on with your Toshiba air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Since I bought it.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't think so.
Please read entire message before responding. There's important information below. Hi there, my name is Bay. Got over 10 years in the trade. I'll be glad to help. Please disregard any automated phone request or service requests, as they are generated by the website. You do not have to accept phone requests unless you want that service. There may be a slight delay in between our messages.
Okay.
Hope you're doing well today. Sorry you're having issues. Is it leaking near the bottom of the machine?
I'm guessing yes.
Does your unit use a bin you have to empty, or a drain hose?
I don't know. This literally started leaking a few days after I bought it. Still there?
I am. You should have one or the other unless it's a self-evaporating type, and even then it should still have an emergency way to drain out water.
Okay. Well, how would I know?
Look behind the unit on the bottom for a drain plug.
There are two knobs. Customer attachment June 9, 2026, 41 p.m.
I would take the unit outside, take the plug out and tip it 45 degrees and empty out all the water.
Okay. I'll do that. And then what? As I said, this started leaking almost immediately after purchasing.
I'm trying to pull the service manual, but you may need to have a drain line hooked up to this unit if it's not self-evaporating. The water has to have somewhere to go or it will just build up in the unit.
Okay. So this unit isn't working like it should?
No, it may be working fine, but if you don't have a drain line hooked up, the water has nowhere to go. Look at pages 10 to 13 https://images.homedepotsstatic.com/catalog/pdf images/a3/a3ca0fe9d8d64d8b at 97ff829655077.pdf.
Why would I need a drain line? I've had a unit like this, and it didn't need a drain line. If I empty canister, it shouldn't leak. Where does the drain line drain to? Seems like it defeats the purpose. Like I wouldn't have thought this if I had to worry about a drain. This is crazy. Are you done now? Also, I just put it on its side and nothing came out. Because it's leaking all the time. It's not doing its job.
All air conditioners produce water that has to be drained.
Yeah, I know.
The drain isn't a weekly empty or yearly. It constantly produces water that has to go out of a drain line. If it's not draining out of the line, the drain could be stopped up or there could be an internal issue. If that's the case, then it's not performing correctly, yes. But it has to have the line installed for cool mode. There are some units out there that have self-evaporating. If a drain line isn't something you want to deal with, I can recommend one to you.
I really don't know why I have to have a drain line if there is a receiver. Then it turns off when full and then you empty it. I wouldn't have bought this if I needed a drain line, and then where does the drain go?
Into a drain somewhere or outside.
Would you buy this machine knowing that? It's a leaking machine.
I would look at the user manual before buying it. Some are self-evap, some are not. I would return it and go with a self-evaporating if you don't want a drain.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.